Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, we are doing a whole banana beautiful look. So I wanted to show you guys what I did. If you're interested in seeing how I did this look, keep watching because I have so many suggestions and I will be doing a whole review with swatches for all of you. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Well, hello, all of my makeup and beauty loving friends. If you're new to this channel, my name is Jordan, and today we are going to be reviewing the new, guess what, the new Jeffree Star Banana Palette. I have been so excited for this release. Perfect timing for summer. Of course, always beautiful packaging. It came in this yellow box. Always ecstatic about that. So here it is, the new Banana Fetish palette from Jeffree Star. I love the color scheme on this. From what I saw from Jeffree's review, oh my god, it's beautiful. Let's get this out. So this is what the palette looks like. Look, it has a little banana in the front, so cute. And then, look at that color scheme. Oh my god. Can you just imagine all of the looks you can do? Oh my gosh. So we have a whole bunch of shimmers, mattes, and a lot of beautiful color stories. I absolutely love these. And then it spells out banana, which is so cute. So we are going to test this with a simple little look just to see how the pigment is, how it performs. Did I say simple? Ooh, no. Oh, hell no! We're going to be doing no simple. We're going to be doing something cute. Me and simple don't really vibe. So, I mean, I do some simple looks, but anyway. This is what it looks like. I will do some swatches for you guys real quick. First row. Starting with that one. This is the very top row. My Peeps Cream Pie G-Spot is that one. Just the Tip. How Do You Peel and Certified Organic. So that was from my wrist to elbow. These are what the first looks like. First swatches. Second row, starting from my wrist, is Star Split. The blue is Bulge. Third is Banana Fetish. Other shiny one is Vitamin P. Pinky Ring for the pink, and Size Queen for that very brown, suspiciously weirdly brown, interesting color, but I'm sure it will somehow work with the palette. And third, from the wrist down, is Hammock, Sunday Service, Never Bitter. I love the color shift in that one. Never Bitter, Morning After, Pounding Cake, and Don't Choke. These names are very risque, and I am here for it. Okay, so one thing I noticed is a lot of the ones that look like brownish really swatch like a very different yellow, which I do love because it goes along with the yellow. I looked at this before without swatching it and I was like, this looks like a lot of browns, but no. Once you swatch it, you realize it's definitely, it looks brown because it's all compacted, but it's actually a different type of yellow once it's condensed a bit. So I do like that. The mattes swatched beautifully. The shimmers swatched like butter as usual. This is something I've come to get used to with Jeffree Star's palettes. So without further ado, we are going to start our look. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, which I know this is a little offbeat from Jeffree Star, but this is a Fenti purple like crayon. I'm just gonna like carve out my eye a little bit with it, with this look. That's how it starts. And there's no purples in this palette, so I'm gonna do it this way, which makes sense. There shouldn't really be any purples in the palette, but I'm so done with it. Each time we get I'm so done.
each time we get.
Alright, and then we're just gonna like buff like the purple a little bit, just so it's a little more blending. I want to make sure, you know, doesn't look too sharp or sloppy, because right now it definitely looks a bit sloppy. Because this purple isn't really like super purple like I was hoping for, so why not? This pink is gorgeous. I'm gonna use that. So I'm just gonna take like a little brushy poo and go ahead in with that. And it's okay if we get out of line a little bit, because I'm going to be doing a cut crease, so that's not a big deal. Alright, now we're going to be doing a cut crease. That pink and purple together look really good. I know it looks sloppy right now, but it is not going to stay this way. Louise. That should be good. This stuff is so good. That cut crease, oh my god, I love it. It is the best cut crease. I don't care what anyone says. Okay, see how we did that? Definitely makes it a lot easier, because I'm going to be applying a beautiful yellow, a very vibrant yellow on top of this, and it's gonna look insanely beautiful. So I'm gonna be using this one right here, Banana Fetish. It's like the perfect yellow. He named that color like after the palette. That's the perfect one. It's a little too thick. Let's use this one. Look at that. That's so freaking pretty. Look at that yellow. That is so beautiful. Look at that so far. Oh my gosh. All right, so what we're gonna do is above here, there is a blue in here, but I'm gonna use that in the bottom, but above here, I'm gonna use this little Sephora blue liner, because this is something that needs a liner at the top. And I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do. There, see what I did, you guys? A little pop of blue. So pretty. So there's gonna be a blue at the bottom. I'm going to be using the blue in here called Bulge. It's a lot of stuff going on in this palette.
I love it.
As like my eyeliner, I'm gonna use the blue. That looks so good. All right, and then in the waterline, I'm just gonna use like this. This is I got from Morphe, I really like the darker blue color as well inside. See? So pretty. And that's with the Morphe eye crayon. I Wish Shadow Stick. So it's very nice. Alright, so on top of this yellow, I wanted to do like a little bit of shimmer, just a little bit. There are so many different shimmers to choose from on here. So let me see. I think I'm gonna try the Star Split one right there. I think that would be a good mix, just to put like some shimmer on top. That just did it so perfectly. Love, love, love. Alright, so as far as that goes, I think that's about all I'm gonna do. I've already used a couple, but there are just so many to choose from. I don't really have any more space without ruining the look. I can do like some up here, so I'll put G-Spot up at the top. Wow, that is so beautiful. That is giving me life. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I already had like my eyebrows done, so I didn't want to do too much. So we're gonna clean up the sides here. See how good that cleans everything up, just like a little blended line up the side. These lashes are called Scandal from Glamnetics, and I'm also going to use the Glamnetic brown magnetic stuff, the magnetic liner. Oh yeah, I think this is the new Dior Show Buildable Mascara 24 hour. So I got like a little sample, so we'll see how that goes. It's a nice mascara. I mean, I have like 2 lashes, so this is good for me. You know what this eye look reminds me of? You guys remember like the Bubblicious bubblegum? I don't know if they still have it, but it was like yellow on the outside. It was pink on the outside, and there was like yellow on the inside. It was like banana split or something. My absolute favorite, but it was a rarity because we weren't really allowed to have too much sugar. That's what this eye look reminds me of, like that Bubblicious gum. It's like so upbeat and refreshing and nice and summer. I just love it. I love warm weather. I'm so glad it's here. Alright, I'm gonna let my mascara dry and then I'll put my lashes on and then we'll be just about done. Okay, lashes are on. And like I said, these are called Scandal, and they're from Glamnetics. Their stuff lasts so long. I just love their lashes so much. If you guys saw my last video, I used Kiss lashes and I hated my life. So this is so much better. So that is my look. That is what I've decided to do today. I really, really love it. I think it kind of envelops the whole entire theme of the banana split. I find like maybe I'll do a little here. I'll do the Never Bitter one just to like show you guys the color shift in that because it is so pretty. Like, look at that. And as we know right now, these color shifting makeup, monochromatics, all that, that's been like a huge thing. especially in that show that everybody loves that I just never could get into. All right. I would say we are glowing to the gods. I am very excited about this palette. I love it. I will reach for it a lot. Everything's swatched nicely. I think it retails for like $54, which is average for him. But you're getting 18 shades of very high quality pigments, very high quality shimmers, a lot of different color stories. Like I could probably do so many different looks with this. This is the one that I chose for myself. But as I keep using it, I'm gonna be having so many more looks. But honestly, pick this up. It is so worth it. This is the only thing I got from this collection. He didn't have any lippies, I don't think. And I wasn't getting anything else. So this was my main attraction. So if you guys like this content, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And thank you so much for everyone who stayed and watched. I always appreciate everyone, all my subscribers, those who are yet to subscribe. Everybody, I always appreciate you. And you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.